Hi, I'm Anna Olson, and I've got some exciting news. I've teamed up with Philly Cream Cheese, and we are searching for Canada's next big cooking stars.
I'm Joelle, and I come from Sudbury, Ontario.
Today I'm cooking in Vancouver.
Hi, my name is Christina, and I am from Winnipeg, Manitoba.
Welcome to Northern Alberta.
Here again in Langley, British Columbia.
Here in Ontario. Beautiful Regina, Saskatchewan.
And it always starts with Philadelphia cream cheese.
I think I'm gonna have to incorporate Philly and bacon into my scallop potatoes every time I make them.
I cook with Philadelphia cream cheese all the time. I love it because it's so versatile.
Thank you very much. Have a Philly day.
I just wanted to tell you about how special this time has been for me as your host on the Real Women of Philadelphia community. And what a community we've built. I'm so proud, I'm honored with what we've been able to do. The laughs, oh my gosh, I love some of the bloopers and just the real you that comes out.
You really should have the mixer on when you add ingredients.
I hope you enjoy it.
This whole competition, it's been a runaway success.
I want to thank everybody who I've made friends with on the website. You guys have all been such an inspiration to me.
Everyone has been just so supportive throughout the whole process, and it was so much fun making the videos.
Those of you who were part of our sisterhood of the cream cheese, it's been so much fun.
Think that plane's going to Toronto? I don't know, but Mom is. Oh
I
yeah!
didn't think I was gonna get this kind of lucky.
So grab the Philly, get cooking, and don't forget to have some fun.
Mwah.